Hi, I'm Angela Dobinsky. I am a pelvic floor physical therapist at Sullivan Physical Therapy in Austin, Texas. And today I'm going to be talking about stress and the impact this has on our body. I'm going to go into more of a detailed biochemical level explanation of stress in hopes that it will give you kind of insight into this true process that occurs within our body and the importance of controlling some of these stressors in our lives. So stress can come in many different forms. It can be perceived physical stress, it can be emotional stress, it can be disruptions in our sleep cycle, inflammation, imbalances in our blood sugar level. So there's many different things that our body can recognize as a stressor. So what happens is an area of the brain called the hypothalamus. It senses that there is some type of stress, there's some type of threat, there's something that is abnormal for our normal environment. And so it releases a hormone called CRH, which is corticotropin releasing hormone. This hormone then activates the pituitary gland, which is also in the brain. And the pituitary gland then releases its own hormone called ACTH, which is adrenocorticotropic hormone. So this hormone then activates the adrenal glands, which sit right on top of the kidneys. And the adrenal gland has two different parts to it. It has a medulla and it has a cortex. So the medulla portion of the cortex, it releases epinephrine and norepinephrine, which is like our adrenaline, our fight or flight. And then the cortex portion of our adrenals release cortisol. This is our major stress buffering hormone within our body. So cortisol can interact with the immune system, and the inflammatory cells can be released into the body. So if this stress response is just occurring, every now and then, that's great. Our body is able to really buffer that stress and deal with that stress. But if we have stressors that are occurring multiple times a day, whether that be due to chronic pain or disruptions in our sleep cycle or the things that we're eating, this is where it becomes a problem because our bodies just weren't made to buffer this type of stress. So what can be done? So as far as sleep goes, making sure that you're getting 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep every night. Turning off electronics in 2 hours, an hour and a half, 2 hours before going to bed can be helpful in making sure that you're getting good quality sleep. Making sure that you're eating a good nutrient-dense diet that's right for your body and that you're eating at time intervals that are right for your body. And then, making sure that you, if it's more of an emotional stress that you're feeling on a regular basis, that you're seeking help for that, that you are, seeing a therapist, or that you have good family and friend support around you. Other things that can be helpful is making sure that you're getting good quality exercise that's right for your body. If you are over exercising, this is something that could be leading to stress. But it is important to get exercise. You just have to make sure that it's at a level that's appropriate for your body. There's many things that can be done to help with this stress cycle. So I think the most important thing is realizing that there is an actual process that occurs. Identify some of the stressors for your body, and then little by little work on ways to better cope or manage with those stressors. This can help to reduce inflammation, can help to reduce pain, can help with many aspects of our lives. So I hope this explanation was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email at angelad@sullivanphysicaltherapy.com. Thank you.